Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be sunny all freaking day. It's beautiful. I already plugged in the refrigerator to the off-grid system and some of the grow lights in the upstairs garden. I got a little kit here. I get people asking about how do I get started with solar. Well, here's the basic kit. First thing I do is I color code all of my cables. The male plug that comes out of the solar panel is your hot wire. As you can see, that one says positive right there. But I label everything anyway. And same here. I got that color coded so I can have 4 solar panels coming in, 1 cable into the house. Everything's color coded. Now it used to be we used to have all black wires. Now they're color coded. But for whatever you're doing, pay attention. See, one male is black and one male is red. But it depends on which end it's going to go in. So make sure you got the right stuff. So this one will need to be a red female for that male. These ends going to go into the charge controller. Right there where it says solar panel. It's got a picture of a battery, so that'll go to the battery. If you got solar lights, that's what that goes to, but I don't use them. I just go to the battery. If you do not have a battery, then you have a solar grid tie micro inverter. Some say grid tie inverter without saying a micro. And you can see this used to connect to a battery. If you can't afford a battery, one of your friends has one sitting in the garage, been there for 4 or 5 years, get it. Now, the factory that I'm in, if you're in a factory, you know somebody in the factory, ask around. There's at least 10 or 20 people in the whole factory that has batteries sitting in the garage for no apparent reason whatsoever. Get them. You can refurbish them, and sometimes I think it's bad. For whatever reason, it was just 30 below one time, and they didn't start the car. They bought a new battery. So it's still okay. Just get a charge on there and connect it up. Now this plugs into the outlet, as you can see right there. But don't leave it connected to, if you're using a battery, don't leave that connected all day long. You'll drain the battery down too far. So you want to keep it at least 12.5. I wouldn't take it down below that. So you can charge it all day when you're at work, come home, plug that into the outlet, or turn it on. It's got an on-off switch over here. And on this side you got a couple fuses. So and then you can watch it through an hour or so, or maybe you're just gonna connect it with a regular inverter and just watch TV for free. But if you're gonna take it into the house to batteries or whatever, but yeah, you got this. And if you get one of these 4-in-1, then get your little plugs too. I don't know what they're called. Southeast Ohio Solar Homestead is going to send me a link, because I don't know what these are called. I can't find them. I'd like to order another couple bags, because I got some exposed wires back here, but I'd like to get them all covered up. There's a watt meter if you want to use that before you go in here, so you know how much is coming into your system. That'll tell you a little bit how many watts you made for the day. But yeah, it's real quick, it's real fast, it's real easy. I've been doing this for probably 10.5 years. And I'm going to tell you, 1 solar panel at a time. That's my motto. So yeah, after 10.5 years, I finally got them all out on this side of the house. And most of them are hooked up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 are not connected yet. But I still got a whole week off, so I'll be working on that. I'm gonna go look at a house in a little bit. But there's your off-grid starter system. Hope I didn't get carried away. I hope I made it easy so you can understand it. And you have a nice sunshiny day.